Hello, for today's lesson, we're going to be looking at different ways in which technology can be used to enhance student learning. And so, really, what we're going to do is look at a number of different examples. We're going to have a little discussion thread about um, really looking at whether it's effective. I think that's one of the key things that you always have to think about with technology. Um, and I am definitely a fan of technology, and I think technology can really be a great benefit to learning. But I think you also always have to be a little bit careful with technology that it's not just a gimmick. And I have seen cases in which that can happen where it really doesn't um, enhance the learning experience very much and can really even be a distraction. So I think one of the goals here is to be a little bit discerning about what types of technology would be effective, and some of them I think are very effective. They can be great tools, and so that's what I really want to explore um, with this segment, and then we're gonna wrap it up with a little assignment, creating a lesson with technology in it. All right.